Hello guys, I'm just about to reveal to you a beginner-friendly strategy you can use to go on to making money with CPAGrip like I did right here. So watch this video, learn this strategy and use that to make some cool cash online. Basically guys, if you're new to my channel OJ Marketing, I create videos on ways you could make money online with the help of CPA marketing, affiliate marketing and the use of AI tools. If you do like such content, make sure you do scroll through my channel. There are a lot of videos that right here that can actually help you out right now. So all you need to do is to go on to checking out such videos as they could help you boost your income online. Also guys, don't forget to go on to hitting the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all to always get alerted whenever I release videos that could help you boost your income online. So diving right back into the video of today, basically what you want to get done first of all is to register for a CPA marketing platform like CPAGrip right now. All you need to do is to come onto CPAGrip.com and you want to just simply go on to clicking on this register icon. It's going to bring you right here to this page where you want to just simply provide the basic details like your first name, your last name, and provide all details on all fields having the red asterisk signs right now. So you can actually see right here that the red asterisk signs indicate the required field you must go on to filling out before you can get an account created on this platform. You could skip out other fields without the red asterisk signs. Agree to the terms of service by checking these boxes out. Once you're done with that, click on register now and go on to creating your account. Once you do create your account, go on to login into your account via utilizing the login icon. And once you do that guys, you want to just simply come onto this section right here, click on this particular offer tools option. A drop down list will be shown to you. Click on my offers, be brought to this page right here and you can just simply filter offers to getting offers from any country of your choice. And now the strategy we are going to be utilizing today is going to be a free strategy right here. You can use this strategy to promote your offers for absolutely free, but if you want to also use a paid plan, you can actually do that right there to promote your offers for utilizing a paid ad platform. But I'm going to show you a free platform you can utilize to do such stuff. So basically guys, you just need to scroll through your offers. Maybe you could filter your offers based on payouts. It's going to show you from the highest paying offer to the lowest paying offer. And maybe I could just simply select this kind of offer, which is a school sweepstake offer that gives out $100 toward Wingstop. And all your leads or people actually need to do is to utilize this your unique affiliate link, which you can see right here, to go on to coming onto this platform and utilize a desktop device to come onto the platform to submit your email address and zip code while going through a survey, and you're going to get paid $2.31 for every person that does that. And the people that does that actually stand a chance of winning this $100 towards Wingstop. So basically this is going to be a win-win for everyone right here. All you need to do is just simply copy the link to this particular offer and create a simple landing page. Your landing page needs to be simple. You could utilize platforms like Google Site right here to create simple landing pages. You could utilize Systemy.io or the Breezy.cloud to create a simple landing page. And guys, I'm not going to walk you through how to create a landing page because I already have a lot of videos that could show you how to do just that. If you want to gain access to such videos, go onto my channel OJ Marketing, click on this search icon and just simply go on to type in a landing page. And if you do type in landing page right here and click on enter, you'll be able to see videos I created for you that could help you go on to creating landing pages right now. This one showed you how to create a simple landing page and earn up to $500 a day. This shows you how to create a simple landing page with Systemy.io. This is for Google Site. This is also for Systemy.io. This is Breezy Cloud. And the list keep going on and on. I have some cool videos right there. Just simply check out those videos and learn how to create simple landing pages. Once you do that guys, you want to then just simply go back and link such CPA marketing offer to your landing page. Once it's linked to your landing page, go on to promote your landing page utilizing this platform called the rapidworkers.com. So this is an amazing platform that you can actually use to get people to click on your link and complete offers, and you do get paid right here. This is absolutely amazing. All you need to do right now is to just simply sign up to this particular platform for absolutely free. Once you do sign up, you'll be brought to a home page that will look similar to this right here. And as you can see guys, these are actually some cool jobs right here you could go on to doing, and you can see the estimated time for the job, the payments that you'll be getting for each job, and go on to making some cool cash right here. So basically guys, you could just simply go on to doing these jobs right here and make some cool cash. This one pays you about 43 cents right here for just doing this job within 2 minutes right now. you can earn the best way around right here. So you can actually go on to checking out other kinds of jobs right here and the amount that you'll be earning from various locations right there. So these are actually cool kind of job. Take a look at this one right here. This one is just for you to visit the website, and you do get paid $1.40 right now. That is actually amazing. This one right here, you do get paid $1 right now in just by 1 minute for just completing this simple task. So you can see the cool jobs right here. This one is just a Telegram like, just for you to like a Telegram page, and you do get paid about $2.25. So they are all cool cash you can actually make with this platform. So basically, you can just simply go into listing your offers among one of these right here. For you to list your offers among one of these, you first need to go onto this section and deposit your funds right now to this particular platform. But if you want to just simply utilize a free method, you just need to go on to completing jobs first by going onto the available jobs section. If you go into that section, you'll be able to see a lot of jobs you can complete right here, like I showed you earlier. Complete such tasks and generate some kind of income that you can actually use to go on to funding your campaigns on this platform. So right now, you want to then just simply go on to fund your campaign and come onto this section that says my campaign. You want to click on new campaign, and if you do click on new campaign right now, it's going to bring you to this page where you want to select the country you're targeting. And I'm going to be targeting the United States. That's why I'm going to leave that as it is. You want to select the category of offer. I'm just going to select something like sign up offer and a simple sign up right here. You can see right here this tax takes less than, you want to put in the amount of minutes. I'm going to leave that as 3 minutes. Available positions right here, I'm going to increase that to about let me just say 50 persons. And if I do take that to 50 persons right there, you'll be able to see the respective amount I will need to go on to paying people right here for this. You could also put how much each worker will earn. For my CPAGrip right here, I'm going to be making $2.31. And if I'm going to be paying about 20 cents for people to complete this offer, meaning that I'm going to be getting a profit of $2.11 right there. That's actually a cool kind of business. So basically, guys, to make this offer quite better, or for people to go on to completing it easier and faster, just simply going to increasing how much you will pay each worker. So I'm just going to pay them about $1 to be quite generous, to make this offer actually quite much more attractive to people, for people to complete. But in doing so, I'm going to be making about $1.31 as profit. So that's actually cool right here. You can see how much the campaign will cost. All you need to do right now is to go on to giving your campaign a title. You want to just simply put in a description right here. As you can see, don't forget to use HTML code for workers check, where you just need to paste in the link. You can actually put in required proof you actually need to check for people that have actually finished the job, and you can just simply go on to filling out all these details appropriately. Once you do that, guys, just submit your campaign, and your campaign will be listed among those jobs which you could actually see earlier right there. So make sure, guys, you actually do follow all the procedures right here appropriately to go on to funding your account and running your campaign on this platform to get your offers to a lot of individuals in the United States and get a lot of cool cash doing so. So if the video added any form of value to you, why not just simply hit the like button to the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and your notification bell is always turned on all. That's it for now, guys. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, guys, and goodbye.